Hi guys, welcome back to the lecture 5. In this lecture, we are going to set up our hacking lab. Now, hope you guys have these two files on your desktop. First thing we have to do is, we have to install VirtualBox software on our system. So let us do that first. If we double click on it, it will start the process of installation. It is same in Windows and Mac. The thing we have to do is, we should click on next on each and every step. Click next, next, next. Now click on yes and then click install. This will install VirtualBox on your system. It will ask you for administrator permission. Click on yes. Then it will start the process of installing VirtualBox. Right after installation, click on finish and it will open the VirtualBox. Your screen will look exactly as screen does. We are going to click on this new button on the top and it is going to open the small pop-up for you. It will ask you for name. I will name it as Kali Linux. I don't want to change machine folder. It should automatically set type to Linux if not set it. And we have to change the version to Debian since Kali Linux is a Debian based operating system. Click on next. And this step is, as we discussed in the previous lectures, a virtual machine uses the hardware resources of the original system. Virtual machine borrows RAM and also storage. We should give around 2 GB of our RAM. If you are having 16 GB of RAM, feel free to give 4 GB RAM. If your system has 4 GB RAM, you can even give 1 GB of RAM to virtual machine. Now, we have to create VirtualBox hard disk. Then we have to select disk file type as VirtualBox disk image. Click on next. It will ask for the file size. While fixed size work faster, but it will take long time to create dynamically allocated disk. So for this course, let's go with dynamically allocated. Then it will ask you the virtual storage you have to give for virtual machine. In my desktop, there is around 2 TB space. So I will give around 30 GB of my physical machine disk space to the virtual machine. If you want to give more than that, feel free to give. Next, click on create, then it will create a Kali Linux virtual machine for you. And it also has a memory, storage and all the components that physical machine has. Now we are gonna add Kali Linux software to our virtual machine. Now click on settings by selecting which is on the top left corner. It will open a pop-up window. There you can find several options. Click on storage. There you can find controller IDE is empty. And right click on empty disk and remove the empty optical drive. Select controller IDE. There you can find a disk image with plus symbol. Click on it and click on add. It will show the files which is on your physical machine. From there, add Kali Linux software which you have downloaded in the previous lecture. And click on choose. Then you can find the software is added under controller IDE. Click on OK. Now our virtual machine is completely ready with Kali Linux operating system for ethical hacking. This is our lecture 5. So let's meet in the next lecture.